Hey everyone, the name's Eric Dorr and I want to talk to you today about how you see the world, because how you see the world impacts who you can be as a person. Yes, if you have a certain belief about the world, it's going to impact what kind of a person you're able to be in response to this world. So if you believe the world is in many ways cold, unresponsive to kindness, if you believe kindness is a weakness, you're not going to be able to be a feeler. If you believe the world is based on control and there is no such thing as freedom, you're not going to be able to be an intuitive. If you believe the entire world is chaotic and there is no control or no stability, you won't be able to use sensing. And if you believe productivity isn't rewarded and that it doesn't help to improve yourself or to work harder because someone else is just going to cheat their way through the system, you're not going to be able to be a thinker. And these beliefs are core to what you are able to be and do as a person. I'm not saying here that beliefs, you can think your way to a world that is different. You can't just use and rely on mindsets to change your perspective of the world. Obviously, these mindsets reflect what you have seen in other people or what you have experienced from your parents or from the world around you. And you need to deal not just with the mindset and how you see the world, but you also have to deal with the world itself and the reason for these issues. So for a feeler, I think it's very important to build a foundation of trust, solidarity, and cooperation. If you can't find a tribe or a kin or a family or a relation where you can experience this, you won't be able to be yourself in the relationship. So you have to change both your mindset and the situation itself. It's not enough to change just one. I'm not saying this new age thing that you can just think your way to a better world. Thinking also requires action. Now I want to talk about some key things people tend to tell themselves that can be sometimes, of course, understandable, but sometimes dangerous. First thing, everybody lies. If you believe everyone is a liar, overall you are more likely as a person to also be lying yourself. Yes, people have found that people who are more pessimistic or who are less likely to trust others are more likely to lie. And people who are overall more negative towards other people, saying everyone is selfish, are more likely to act selfishly in return. So sometimes we need to really think about what it is that we believe about the world, because it's so important to find a healthy way of being, a healthy state of acting, a healthy way of living. And if you are living in a way that doesn't represent how you want to live, how you want to be, maybe it's time to consider what you think about the world, not just what you think about yourself, because the two questions are related. Thank you all for watching this video.